the 2020 Ram 1500. This four-door, five-passenger truck is waiting for you to take home. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Top features include a split-folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, a leather steering wheel, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, heated seats, fully automatic headlights, and remote keyless entry. Power adjustable pedals allow the driver to optimize his or her driving position, enhancing visibility, comfort, and safety. Passenger security is always assured thanks to various safety features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.